Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to see liked posts on Instagram. So if you want to see your liked posts on Instagram, maybe you liked a post but then you couldn't find it after you liked it, I'll show you guys exactly how to find the like posts on Instagram. So to do it, it's pretty easy. First things first, you want to update your Instagram app though to make sure you have the latest version. You can do that by going to the App Store and searching up Instagram and then checking if it needs to update. But once you do that, you can head over to the Instagram app. Once you're on the Instagram app, you're going to want to click on your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Once you do that, there should be 3 lines in the top right corner. Click on those 3 lines and these options will show up right here. Out of these options, you're going to look for the Your Activity option. It's the second option for me, but it might be in a different location for you. But once you find the Your Activity option, just click on that and it will bring you to this page right here. On this page, it shows all your activity, so you can check whatever you've done recently on Instagram. Look for the option that says Interactions, and once you find the Interactions option, just click on that. Once you click on it, there'll be a couple options here, like comments, story replies, and all those things, but then there's also likes. Look for the likes option, or likes option, yeah. Once you find it, you can click on it, and you can see all the posts that you've liked recently. You can filter it by newest to oldest, or oldest to newest. You can also sort it by the creators of the post, so you can put in a username of the person that created it and to find it like that. But you can just filter it however you want. As you can see, you can put in the creator of the actual post if you want to find a specific one by that person, or you can put the start and end date of when you've liked it. But as you can see, if you want to remove one from unlike it, and that will remove it. But that is how you see your liked posts on Instagram. So, I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.